Hello students, in this video I will teach you how to attempt exam on NTAB server. So basically to answer a question there are basically three methods. One by one I'm telling you all three methods. First method is if it is a MCQ question, then four options are given to you. You have to select one out of the four options. Second method is there is a box given after every question. You need to write the question using keyboard. So you can type the question. So this type of answers are short answer type questions like one word or one sentence. Now third method is if you want to write a paragraph or if you want to draw a diagram, then you need a sheet of paper. You write your answer on that sheet of paper, draw the diagram if required, and click a photo with the help of your mobile and upload that as an answer. So in this way, three methods I'm teaching you in the same video. See this video how to do that carefully. Now see how the students will attempt exam on NTAB server. First of all, open browser. Say I'm opening Google Chrome. Here you will write www.opjmscampuscare.in. Press enter and you will get a password and ID from your class teacher. You have to enter password and ID in this one. See, I'm doing the same step for you again. First of all, you will open Google Chrome. Then on the URL address bar www.opjmscampuscare.in, press enter. After this you will click here to proceed. From here you have to enter your ID and password. I'm entering one ID from student side only. You will get these IDs from your class teacher. The ID is, suppose I'm entering one ID. And you will get a password also from your class teacher. I'm entering password also for this student. Sign in. Once you will sign in, you will see your question paper in this option. See, go to academics, click on this academics, click on online exam. See, here it will appear how many online exams you have already given, and here how many online exams you are going to give. So till now there is no exam. I have given time, suppose time is 22:35. After 2 minutes this test will appear here. So we will wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes the test will appear here. So as soon as you will log in as a student, you will click on this academics. In academics you will click on online exam. This window will appear in front of you. See, this maths exam, it is appeared, and here whatever the exams you have already given will appear. So click on the exam which is appeared for you. Now here, start exam. This is the date of the exam, this is the starting time of the exam, and this is end time of the exam. Click on start exam. You will see the first question in front of you. This is your first question. Total number of questions are 11. Here it is appearing. You can click on any one question to answer that, or you can skip that question. You can review later. You can press on next button. So here, what happened to the rain suddenly? Rain stopped. In this way you can answer with the help of keyboard. Press next after answering. So once you have answered, it will become red color. So this is second question. If you want to write something, you can write in this box, what happened to the crops when the storm has passed? Nothing happened. You can answer according to your requirement.
then press next. So two questions you have given. Third question is say MCQ. You have to select one out of this. Say I'm selecting first one. Next. Then this is again MCQ. Suppose I'm selecting second one. Next. Again MCQ is there. I'm selecting third, suppose. Then again MCQ. So for the MCQ you have to select the right answer according to you. And here also I'm selecting one by one. If it is a descriptive question, then we will write something. So here it is a descriptive question. So for objective type question you have selected the answer. For one word or one sentence you have typed your answer. But suppose here it is a long answer type question. Then you have to click on this button. It will allow you to upload an image. Means you will write your answer on a piece of paper and click a picture from your mobile. And once the picture is clicked by your mobile, it will be available in the gallery. So click on this button. See, I'm clicking it. It will open a window for you from where you can choose the required gallery. Say I'm selecting from my desktop. There's a folder, say practice. In this practice, suppose I have selected the answer to this question is suppose this one. You can select the final answer and then press open. This image will appear here, and as an answer your teacher will be able to see this one. And here you can write also see the answer in image. So in this way you can upload image if you want to write the answer on a piece of paper. Then press next. Again this is a question. Here you want to explain something with diagram. Draw the diagram on a piece of paper, and once the diagram is drawn, click the picture of that diagram and upload it. And how to upload that? Click on this button. You will see again the dialog box where you have a number of answers. So out of these pictures you can select the right answer which you have clicked and press OK. In this way you can upload answers in different forms. Next answer is say 10th question. Again you want to select the picture for this answer. You can go down, select the picture, select the required answer where you have already clicked. In this way one by one you can submit. So here 11th question is there now. Now listen very carefully. If you want to go back and review your paper, you can go back also. Previous one, next. In this way you can see all your questions, and 11th question you can see here is the answer of 11th question also, whatever the answer you want to write. And then next you want to press. All the questions you have given where MCQ and descriptive questions all. After that you will click on submit button. So remember, if you want to review before submit you can review. After submission you will not be able to see your answers again. So first question, second question, third question you can change also before submission. Once you will submit that you will not be able to change it. So here I'm going to last question and I'm pressing submit button. Click on submit. See, this message has come, exam submitted successfully. If message is not coming, it means either you are late on submission or there is some mistake in the submission. So see this message and you press OK. It means your answer is submitted and it will be checked and you will find the enclosed answer sheet after checking within your this window. So after some time, a week or whatever the time your teacher will take to check it, you will see the checked answer sheet also on the same window. Thank you. Now
Now, on the basis of this video, we expect that you have learned how to answer the question in different manner. So three methods are very much clear to you. Now after the submission, these answer sheets will reach your teachers and you will see the result on the same window that is appeared in front of you. So for the password and ID you ask your class teacher. Thank you.